So today I'm going to be making some Calendula face toner, and this is going to be for my sister. So I have already made my Calendula oil. I do have a video on how to make this oil. If you go to my profile, scroll through those videos, it's not too far down, and it'll teach you how to make the infused oils with herbs. So a lot of times I'll do rosehip oil, mixed with calendula, but today I'm just gonna do calendula. So what does calendula do for the skin? Well, it helps with skin irritations, breakouts. I love using rose hips too for aging. This has some properties that will help with that. Also, if you want to add this to like baby wipes, it helps with diaper rash. I mean, it does all sorts of amazing things. Now, for the witch hazel, I use witch hazel extract, and I just make sure I get all my stuff off of Mountain Rose Herbs. I don't get any commission for saying that. I grow most of my own herbs, but things like this I do purchase off of there. So I'm gonna make her an 8-ounce or close to bottle of this today. So we're gonna start out with the 1 serving is 1/2 cup of the witch hazel, and you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of whatever oil your choice that you wanna use. That is legitimately it. It is the easiest thing in the world to do. So what I do is I have this cute little funnel here. I pop it into my bottle and measure out my 1/2 cup of witch hazel. And you guys, the cool thing when it comes to herbs is you can't really mess this up. Play with it. Get creative, you know, add in different herbs together. Obviously, if you're allergic to certain herbs, please don't use them. But start out very simple with some easy herbs that you guys can use. But I promise you are smart enough to do this, and if I can do it, you can do it, and you will not mess this up. So again, it's just 1 serving is a 1/2 cup. But because I'm doing a double for my sister, I'm doing 1 full cup, and then I will add in the oil. Okay, so now let's add in the oil. And again, this is the Calendula infused oil, and you can check out my other videos on how to make this oil with any herb for yourself. You can even do an oil for your salads, which is super cool. And again, I am doubling this, so I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons, but single is just 2 tablespoons on this one, okay? It is the easiest thing in the world to make. And calendula is great, like as a tea for menstrual cramping too. All right, so that is it. Guys, it is really that easy. Shake it up really well, and then you just want to use one of those little organic cotton swabs, and you put a little bit on the cotton swab, a nice clean washed face, and wash it all over your face. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the night. It's that simple, and if I can do it, you guys can do it. Don't forget to check out healthandhealingerbs.org. I do not have this stuff listed on there, but if you would like me to make you some, just send me a message. Super easy. Thank you for watching.